RAWCHAA. Let's start off again, of course, on his praise and fear to Father YAHAWAH, BAHASHAM, YAHAWASHI, BAHASHAM, QADASH. Also need the BAHASHAM, Apostle, and Muslim Muslim who do well. Your brother come affiliated Jim Islanican, part back again today with a video. This one's going to be called Solar Eclipse, October 2nd. Solar Eclipse, October 2nd. And this is all heating up, okay, between the prophecy that went on today with Iran attacking Israel. All right. And this solar eclipse, and it's also a Rosh Hashanah. Okay, small hats are going into Rosh Hashanah, so you know the devil has a plan, man. Okay, part because Esau's about to come down with great wrath, man. Okay, the Lord YAHAWASHI has given us insight onto that. Okay, and He does that through what? The moon, okay, the stars, the sun, these eclipses. Okay, last month you had what the harvest moon. Okay, which I saw a shit ton of chariots during the harvest moon. Okay, it was crazy. Okay, it says Revelation 12 verse 12. Therefore rejoice ye heavens, ye that dwell in them, both in heavens and earth and of the sea, for the devil is holding on to you having great wrath, because he knows he has but a short time. Okay, that word wrath there is thymos, passion, anger, heat, anger, forth with boiling up and consumes inside again, indignation. Okay, fierceness. Okay, so Esau as breathing hard. Okay, passion. So Esau's going to come with passion to establish his new world order. Okay, and this is what you're seeing now. Okay, where he's pushing the RFIDC hip heavy, okay, which is the MOT to the B, Revelation 13:16 through 18, the charagma, all right, the itching or scratching under the skin, as the scriptures go into, man. Okay, he's setting up, okay, meeting with the WHO to cause another pandemic, okay, to distribute this mark, okay, because that first go around was nothing more than a test. This go around is not going to be no test, man. Okay, it's going to be the real deal steel, man. Okay, you know. And this is going to be what you know as martial law, what you know as Jacob trouble, okay? Where these people are going to be out here crying for help, man, okay? And they can't say that they didn't know because why? The Heavenly Father had His men out there giving warning, man, okay? You know, and before Jacob's trouble, the Lord gave us signs, seasons to see what the hell is going on. And you had that attack in Israel, today. That was heavy. That's heavy prophecy going on, man. Okay, that's Ezekiel 38. That's Joel the third chapter. Okay, that's Revelation 11, verse 14. That third woe, okay, coming to pass, man. Okay, but we understand what the RFID microchip has to happen before that third woe really starts popping off. Because ultimately, the judgment for taking that chip is what? Thermonuclear destruction. But you see the Lord, He's building it up as the Lord deals with gradualism, man. That's why we're just going to Habakkuk the second chapter. And though it tarry, wait for it. Okay, because it will surely come. It will not tarry, man. It says, October annual solar eclipse will create a ring of fire over parts of South America. A solar eclipse will create a ring of fire in the skies over parts of South America on Wednesday, according to NASA. The annual solar eclipse occurred when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, when the moon is near or at its farthest point in its orbit from Earth, so it can completely block the sun as it does during a total solar eclipse. Instead, the sun's fiery light sounds the moon's shadow, creating a so-called ring. Okay, and that's what's going to go on. So I'm just going to go into the path of the eclipse. The annual solar eclipse will begin at 12:50 p.m. ET to 4:39 p.m. It says according to time and date, the path will begin about 1,056 miles or 1700 kilometers southwest of Hawaii, then move southwest according to Earth sky. The eclipse is expected to peak, meaning the obscuring of the sun by moon shadow will be at its greatest at 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time over the ocean for just over 7 minutes. Um, of course, you need clouds for solar eclipse, but us in Georgia, we're not going to see the solar eclipse, unfortunately. The Lord blessed us to see one earlier on this year. Um, but these are all signs and seasons, man. Okay, all signs and seasons, bro. You know, This is Genesis 1 verse 14. And power said, "Let there be light in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and for years." Okay, that word signs there goes as a awah, a sign, signal, a distinguishing mark, a banner, a remembrance. Okay, the Lord said an omen. Okay, and the Lord is warning you people out there about the judgment that He's about to put forth on Babylon the Great, aka America, which comes with FEMA camps. Okay, which comes with cannibalism, a famine. An actual famine's gonna happen. You see what's going on over there with the ports, man. Okay, I think one day they're missing one day is up to basically missing up to 7 work days. Okay, so that's heavy, man. Okay, there's no more goods coming into the United States. It's down 65%. 65%. Okay, that's a massive number, bro. 65% is a very, very big number, man. Okay, so the Lord has put his hand and his plagues upon America, aka Babylon the Great. This is Sirach 43, verse 5. Great is the Lord YAHAWAH BAHASHAM YAHAWASHI that made it. Actually, me go up. This is that's bad. It's Sirach 43, verse 1. The pride of the height declared firmament the beauty of heavens with his glorious show. The sun, when it appears, declaring at his rising at his marvelous instrument the working of the Most High. At noon it parches the country. Who can abide the burning heat thereof? So a man blowing a furnace is in the work of heat. The sun burneth the mountains 3 more times, breathing out fiery vapors and sending forth bright beams. It dimmeth the eyes. And this also shows you that what Esau can't touch the fucking moon, man. Esau's crack ass. Okay, he can't even survive in the Arizona desert for more than 10 minutes. He has heat advisories, but yet he's gonna up and touch a light source because it says what when the Heavenly Father in Genesis first chapter. Okay, uh really, Allah and the powers. Okay, when the Heavenly Father Abashimashai made, okay, these powers, uh, 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 made Yahushua, and Yahushua made, which is the elect. Okay, uh, he made, they made lights. It says, "Let there be lights in the firmament of heaven. Let there be lights." The word light there is a mukar, bright light, light luminary. Okay, a luminous body. Okay, so the moon is actually a light. It's not just reflecting some dark spot reflecting off of the sun. The Heavenly Father by Shema Shai has a purpose for everything he does, man. Okay, and the moon is actually a light source. So Esau's not landing on the moon. Okay, uh, that was some bullshit, man. Okay, that was made in a Hollywood theater, man. It says, "Great is the Lord Jehovah Bahashim." Sirach 43 verse 5. Great is the Lord Jehovah Shemashai that made it, and at his commandment runneth hastily. He made the moon also to serve in her season for a declaration of times and a sign of the world. He also made the moon to serve in her seasons for a declaration of times and a sign of the world. Okay, a declaration of times, and that's what we're living in. The Heavenly Father is declaring what the end from the beginning, man. Okay, right now we're living in what the end of Esau's world, according to Second Ezra 6 verse 9, in the beginning of it that followed. Okay, and this is why it's a heavy time, man, to the spirit. Okay, from the moon in the signs of feast, a light that decreaseth in her perfection. Okay, you know, the month is called after her, and they show you what the a new moon brings in what a new Sabbath, man. It's not the full moon. It makes no damn sense. The moon is called after her name, increasing wonderfully in her changing, being an instrument of the armies above, shining in the firmament of heaven. The beauty of heaven, the glorious stars, the ornament giving light in the highest places of the Lord. All right, so these things are made, man, and it goes to show you what in Joel second chapter. It's also repeated in the book of Acts. It says what Joel 2 verse 31, the sun shall be turned into darkness and the moon into blood before the great and terrible day of the Lord Jehovah come. There's been nothing but blood moons and so on and so forth. Okay, going on right now, man. All right. It says, and it shall come to pass that whoever shall call on my name, and shall call on the name of the Lord Jehovah shall be delivered. For in Mount Zion and in Jerusalem shall be deliverance, as the Lord Jehovah has said, and in the remnant who the Lord Jehovah shall call. Okay, and the Lord Yahweh, Bahashim Yahweh Shai is calling, man. Okay, by these men on the streets before the time of Jacob's trouble happens here upon the earth, man. Okay, before the wars and rumors of wars end and the wars start. You see. With that, I'm gonna say Shalom to call Yahawah, BAHASHAM, RAWCHAA, BAHASHAM, QADASH, and Shalom Akim. Shalom.